In a media statement issued by the General Secretary cum Publicity Secretary Saiñkupar Nongtraw, the proscribed militant outfit, the Hynniewtrep National Liberation Council, the Hnlc, has claimed responsibility for the recent IED blast at Them Metor, Shillong, attributing it to the Budnar Shadow Squad (BSS), the special forces of the Hnlc. They urged upon the state government to withdraw the CRPF from the area for the freedom of movement for Hynniewtrep people. Criticizing the government's neglect in relocating the Harijan community, they warned of potential civil unrest if their demands aren't met. The group accused the police of siding with non-tribals and criticized political figures for being manipulated for political gain. They urged upon the Harijan community to consider relocating peacefully. Finally, the group warned non-tribals against asserting ownership of Hynniewtrep land, emphasizing peaceful coexistence.